Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. With more than 6 months to go until the iPhone 18 Pro's expected September unveiling, it's already clear how the iPhone 18 Pro generation will differ from the current flagship iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max models. One analyst has summarized the expected changes and updates. These 5 new features are rumored for Apple's iPhone 18 Pro Max. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 5. Dynamic Island. The most noticeable change will likely be the smaller notch in the display of the new iPhone 18 Pro, as Apple will likely hide some of the Face ID components beneath the display. This is just an interim step toward a notchless iPhone display. This feature could appear in the 2027 iPhone. Number 4. Variable Aperture. The second new feature should be especially welcome for photographers, as variable aperture brings a creative tool from traditional cameras to the next 48-megapixel iPhone camera. It will allow for greater control over light intake and depth of field, and effects like starburst are easily achieved with variable aperture. This feature has long been available on flagship Android phones, although some manufacturers, such as Honor and Xiaomi, have recently abandoned it, while Huawei currently continues to use variable aperture across its entire flagship lineup. Number 3. Apple A20 Pro. For the first time in years, the Apple A20 Pro is expected to be significantly more efficient, thanks to its new 2nm process. Apple won't be the first to do so, as the Samsung Exynos 2600 could be the first 2nm chipset, and debut alongside the 26th generation Galaxy S20 at the end of February. Qualcomm is also expected to unveil the 2nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 this fall, which will be manufactured by TSMC in Taiwan. Number 2. Apple N2. This update is also an Apple chipset. It is the successor to the Apple N1, which powers Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 in the iPhone 17 and iPhone Air. It is unknown what updates the Apple N2 will receive. Number 1. Apple Modem C2. Finally, the debut of the second version of Apple's own 5G modem is expected, which has the potential to surpass Qualcomm modems in performance. Apple's first C1 modem in the iPhone 16e was more efficient than competing modems, but still lagged in speed. The C1X modem in the iPhone Air was an intermediate step, which, according to Apple, was already twice as fast as the C1. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.